Hi, we've got today's creative video, and today we're going to be looking at making some origami jumping frogs. First fold, I'm going to take paper and we're going to go in half. Then we're going to take this corner across to here and this corner across to here. So top corner down across. Open that back out. Top corner. Down and across. Fold that back out. And you should see a square at the top. So now we've got our cross. Turn your paper over. I'm going to fold this top flap on this middle point down. Fold that down, smooth that out, open it back out, turn your paper back over, and then if you pinch across this line, you're going to fold in and down. Okay, so across this line, in and down. So you get a triangle. Once you've made your triangle, take one corner. I'm going to fold that up from the middle. And then we're going to repeat the other side. That goes up. And make them even. These are going to be the legs. Next we've got 3 folds that are going to help form the body. I'm going to take the bottom, fold it up in half, smooth that out. I'm going to take the right hand side, I'm going to fold that in, down a centre line there, flatten that, and then we're going to take this side and do the same, fold it in. To a centre line there. Flatten all that out. So from here the next stage is to look at making the legs. So take your bottom line, I'm going to fold that into the middle. Make sure you give that a real good fold. Fold it back out, and then we're going to take the 2 bottom corners, I'm going to pull them out up to the middle line. And as we pull them out, I'm going to fold back in. Give them a pull and a tease. So you're at this stage. From here, take this corner, and again from the middle, fold that down. And there, same on the other side. Down. Like so. And finally we now want to make the frog jump. So across this middle line here, I'm going to fold it back in. Give that a good press down. And then halfway up this section, along here, I'm going to fold it back on itself. Give that a good press. Turn it over, give it a bit of a squash down, make sure it's all in a line. Pull his feet out. There you have it. Jumping frog.